Hi everyone, my name is Engineer Arjun Singh and today I'm going to tell you about the classification of bolts depending upon its strength and its usability. So let's begin. Starting with class C bolts, in this we have black bolts or unfinished bolts which are specifically of grade 4.6. Now I'll tell you what is the meaning of grade 4.6, but let's begin with this. These bolts are very cheap and highly ductile, so they have less yield strength value, but they are very much ductile, and they usually cost around 3 to 5 rupees. You can get it in the market. They are not very well finished bolts. You can find that throughout the length of the bolt you can find that threads are provided. There is no shank or the smooth portion provided. Now the second category of bolt is the class B bolt. Under this we have the turned and fitted bolts. In this there are two different categories. One is the semi precision bolt and second one is the precision bolt. Now the third one is the HSFG bolt. HSFG basically stand for high spin structural steel bolts. Now these bolts basically are of very high grade. They usually are from the grade 8.8 to the grade of 12.9. In case of the turned and fitted bolts, they are usually in the grades of 4.6 to 8.8. So the highest grade of bolts you can find it in the class A category, which is the HSFG bolts, which are from grade 8.8 to 12.9. Now these bolts basically have less ductility, but they have higher yield strength value. So these are they're quite expensive also. So this is the different classification of bolts depending upon their strength and their usability. But in case of the class C bolts, they can only take static loads. But in case of the class A bolts, they are very good in taking dynamic or the fatigue loads. So it is very much useful, and depending upon the usability, different kinds of bolts are opted. Now I was telling you about the grade of bolt. Now when we say the grade is 4.6, it basically means that 4 basically is the ultimate strength of the bolt. It is basically downsized. It is 400 Newton per mm square. So 400 Newton per mm square is the ultimate strength of the bolt. Now when I say 4.6, it means that the 60% of this ultimate strength gives the yield strength value of that. So it is 0.6 into 400, which will give you the yield strength of that particular bolt. So this is how you can understand what category of or what class bolt you need, and what is the grade of bolt which is required depending upon the load that would be coming on the structure, also considering the budget. So this is all for today. Thank you everyone for watching.